Good morning to one and all. Today we are seeing the prose, the third prose, titled The Forgetting. So, see the title, Forgetting. So, forget the word. This is the process of normal, but sometimes it will become difficult the author's life. So, author point of view, what is the process of forget, and he telling about the people's point of view. There is some reasons, some incidents, some things totally forgot. So there is no changes. So see the word author Robert Wilson Lind. So let's introduce about author. Author introduction. His full name Robert Wilson Lind. So his period 1879 to 1949. He was born in Belfast in 1879. He was educated at Royal Academical Institute and Queen's College, Belfast. He was a great modern essayist of 20th century. He started his career as a journalist. He had been an editor, the News Chronicle. So now also see the magazine, the Chronicle, but that is only Chronicle. This is the old magazine. The full name of News Chronicle. He also contributed his essay to the New Statesman under the pen name YY. That is the full form. I think maybe there is also mentioned, maybe including the author's period. He is a good example of personal essayist. He was very popular for humor and fun in his essays. Once you have begun to read essay, you can leave it aside. He's finishing it. As an essayist, he has two morphi to which and always political and delightful. He died in 1949. So let's go to next slide. The title is Forgetting. So see the picture. We normally we forget one thing or one matters. How to reaction? That is the question mark. So that is the reaction picture. Forgetting is the apparent loss or modification of information already encoded and stored in an individual long-term memory. So we don't write, there is memory power in your brain. So upcoming incident you are also not mentioned already. So there is also processing and then present events, but you all think maybe you will doing after. So it is inability to encode, that to store and retire and the previously learned information from long-term memory over varying periods of times. So the long-term memory power is very difficult. So but nowadays everything is technical, but the before periods where is memory power is a very useful for brain. The causes behind the forget. So causes, that means the reason for forgetting. The fault memory process. First one is fault memory process. Second one, loss of interest. Third one, interference. Retrieval problems, lack of motivation. So the forgetting is the basic, but we lost what are we lost the life, the retrieval problems and lack of motivations and physical damages. This is one by one we see the life and the upcoming the problems, the lack of motivations. Next stage is the physical damages. So genetic factors. We see the forgetting the process, not only the age, there is also maybe including into the brain at the same time genetic. So lack of recollecting. Sometimes you thinking about your lost or a lack of incidents and then recollect to introduce or recollect the matters to explain to your friends, but some incidents you just forget that time only. So that is called lack of recollecting, a lack of readiness to recall, theories of forgetting. So we also going to some places and sometimes we went to eat some hotels, that hotel also you don't forget the time. So wherever we go to future, the times you also mentioned last time we spent that hotel, that what is it, that tiffin and that lunch we don't forget because that is too tasteless. So that times of incidents only you don't forget. So these type of small incidents also you don't forget. But there is a big that means important matters also totally forget in your life. That is a big theory of forgetting. So the traces decay theory. So according to this theory, forgetting occurs because of the fading of the memory traces or engrams as a result of lack. So what are the losses in your life regarding the forgetting? So using the stored items for a long period. Example, mobile numbers. So now a period totally full and full technical periods. So you using mobiles, but your father and your grandfather periods you are using not mobile. There is one diary definitely now also available in one diary. There is also more 200 or 250 mobile numbers also memory there is in your mind. But that type of mind you just recollect in your memory numbers. But you just only 10 mobile numbers you just memory, that is not possible for now. So should be memory test. Individually test your memory power. You just how many mobile numbers memory you in your mind. You just check in your mind. So how many relations, how many memory, what is that? How many friends, names, and then friends' birthdays, relations' birthdays, uh, the important matters. This is also just the forgetting, related to the forgettings. But the author explained the theory of the forgettings, just what is the usual and unusual things. The theory of inhibition of interference. So according to this theory, forgetting occurs because of the interference of inhibitions, memory traces of other stored and learned items. So when you forget one things or one any or what is that one important matters after you learned something from there. So that is a what is that? That is a learning process from forgetting. So there are two kinds of interference, one proactive inhibitions, second one retroactive inhibitions. So proactive inhibitions. So if the earlier learning interferes with later learning and inhibits recall of new materials, it is known as proactive inhibitions. Retroactive inhibitions, the inhibition of the earlier learning and recall uh, by later learning is known as a retroactive inhibitions. The repression theory. This is that is called what is that? Sudden you just memory in your mind. You forget what is the matter that time. You just recall. That is called repression theory. It is a defensive mechanism that painful items are thrown into unconscious mind and the person does not wish to remember them. So techniques for effective memorization. So techniques maximum one they or decrease your memory power, and then what is that? Dignity to into your mind, but at the same time decrease your memory power. So repeated recitations. Recite what you have learned to yourself. Silent recitations will make you remember past lessons. So when you forget one thing, that time you learned from what? That is the lesson from your mind. Next, overlearning. Overlearning means what you forget the time, what you learned the time. That is after next time also with the doing the same process, same thing you forget the time. So that is the overlearning. It means that if you wish not to forget what you have already learned, because the same process already learned from the same time. So continue to reviewing it and now and then. Next, spaced practice. This is a strategy of studying in which a relaxation or a rest period is allotted in between a schedule of studying. So this is the technical process. So doing the forgetting for the basic. So selection. It is difficult to remember all the notes written in your notebook or textbook. Some matters you forget your process, at the same time you just note it or textbook or written process. When you forget the some matters from outside or inside, you just write. This is one type of good habits. So hence you have to place a selection markings in your notebooks or textbooks which you can use to summarize your idea. So which type of thing you just write in your idea, but the same ideas you just analyze or recall the things, but that time create new ideas. So next, sleep. Another one, review. So using mnemonics. So mnemonic system or techniques or strategies consciously used to improve memory. So what is expected and then what you need, you just write. There is one paper or notebook, they help use information already stored in long term. So now there is no habit for written process. That is the main thing. The memory to make memorization an easier task. So organization. This strategy can be done by organizing your notes or making an outline so that when your ideas are already organized, because you practiced the organize the ideas after you just implement and then practice, so learning become easier and faster. So this is the basic, but author also says simply and then usual and unusual things for house and outside. So this is called forgetting. So thank you, thanks to all.